Welcome to Arjun's Architectural Designs. This is our first video on AutoCAD basics. So please do support us by subscribing to our channel. So today we'll see the basic of AutoCAD, how to use shortcuts. So first we'll open a new file by clicking on Start Drawing. Here you can see the interface of AutoCAD. The first commands will be for drawing. So then it will be for modifications and then your dimensions. So there are many commands which will be in AutoCAD to use. And this is the workspace, switching 2D to 3D. So we'll be in drafting and rotation for 2D. So if you want to draw a line, you have to click on line and click on the first point and end point. So the easiest ways to use the commands in AutoCAD is using shortcuts. For line, you can type L, enter, click the first point and draw the line. Same way for polyline, type PL, the shortcut is PL, draw the first point, second point, and you can continue the polyline. So here you can observe, if you type any of the letter in AutoCAD command prompt, the list of the commands starting from that letter will be showing in the command prompt. So these are you can use shortcuts in AutoCAD. So I have attached a file containing the shortcut list for your reference in our video description. Please download and support.